All right, new tonight, we're learning that 85% of COVID long haulers have lasting brain-related symptoms. That's according to a recent study published in the scientific journal Annals of Clinical and Translational Neurology. Vanderbilt is beginning a trial to test a possible solution to help with this brain fog. And as Alex Dennis explains, it involves video games. As News 2 remains on COVID Watch.
Brain fog. It's a problem becoming more prevalent among those who've recovered from COVID-19. It disrupts the ability to manage and carry out daily activities.
The symptoms that occur in COVID survivors in many ways fit the symptoms that people have who have acquired brain injuries.
Jim Jackson is the director of behavioral health at the ICU Recovery Center at Vanderbilt. He's seen the effects facing long haulers and fears this challenge may be the next public health crisis.
If there's any doubt that meaningful numbers of people are having significant problems, so that should give us pause. That should give you pause before you react quickly to dismiss the validity of a person who is describing these things.
All right, recruit, suit up. The solution to the issue may lie in a video game. The company Akili was the first approved by the FDA to effectively treat patients with impaired cognitive function using technology.
You can be diagnosed with ADD or ADHD, and you can get a prescription to use the Akili game and technology.
Jackson explains the idea of digital therapeutics was developed a decade ago by a renowned neuroscientist. Now the game has been altered to hopefully help COVID-19 patients find relief.
It is engaging your brain in a certain duration with a certain intensity. When you're doing better, the challenges get harder. When you're doing worse, the challenges get easier. There's something about that interplay that is equivalent to use a physical workout analogy, expert training.
Hello, Explorer.
Vanderbilt will enroll trial participants in a 4 to 6 week study, exposing them to specific sensory stimuli to activate the brain in hopes improvement translates to better everyday life function.
This is grounded in robust science, so we'll see what it shows, but there are reasons that we're hopeful about this potentially changing the trajectory of survivors of COVID-19 with cognitive impairment.
Whoa. The first round of trials will involve 100 Nashvillians. Alex Dennis, News 2.
By the way, according to Vanderbilt, there's been extreme interest in the trial. As of now, they're only enrolling participants involved in previous studies, and they also plan to expand the trial in the future.